Monday at Treasure Island again, guys. We ended up putting about 50-60 bucks back. We're leaving Treasure Island now. We decided to come into the link. So we put our lucky pennies into the dolphin pond thing in front of the Mirage. Alright, so that was a bust at the link.
Can we do we make it? Fair girl. This the life of JT. He gon' keep it real what he's thinking. Hey. Can we do we make it? Keep it 100, we don't fake it. Hey.
What is up, JT Squad? Finally, we are back with another vlog. It's a Monday, February 22nd, almost March. We're headed to the Strip. We have a puny budget, like $100. We got some free play at Treasure Island. We're gonna try to do a slot challenge, the $100 slot challenge. I don't know if we're gonna end up completing it or not. I do got my trusty spy glasses, and check out the merch. LifeCrusherApparel.com. You can get yourself one of these badass shirts. On the back, it also has this design too, and we got a lot of badass hats there. So make sure you pick up that. Subscribe to the channel. We're shooting for 3,700. We dropped a few subscribers since moving here, but we haven't been uploading on a regular basis. But let's go. We're gonna go check out another spot for Sin City food review, so subscribe to that channel. We're gonna do a giveaway soon on that channel. We're also gonna do a custom hat giveaway on this channel, so stay tuned for all that. Love you guys. Let's head out to the Strip. Let's go check it out. Let's see if we can win some cash today. We made it to Treasure Island. Like I talked about before, it's always free parking here. I guess some of the other resorts are going to free parking too, but we like to gamble here. We got like $20 in free play and I think like $110 budget. Very small budget. We'll probably go on the Strip, take some shots of the Strip. Hope you guys enjoy. Wish us luck, we win something. We got our spy glasses for our bonuses if we hit bonuses. Much love, and we'll see you in there. Monday at Treasure Island again, guys. We put in $15, cashed out for $367. We just got here too, so that's really good. We're gonna try one more 20 in this machine, then we're gonna walk around and try a couple different machines. We don't want to stay stuck on one machine, but I have a feeling about this machine for some reason. So we're up 350 right now. What do you think, Mom? Yay! Check out the new gear. Mom's got the Crush Life long sleeve. I got the Life Crusher Apparel long sleeve. But let's keep this winning streak alive, guys. We ended up putting about 50-60 bucks back, but that still puts us up about 280-300. Just got here, it's only like 12:15 right now. We're gonna play one more Buffalo by Senior Frogs, and then we might just head down the strip and check out some other places. I know the Link we've had good luck in the past. Plus we gotta get some real food. That stuff was terrible. We ate at least sandwiches. The review is on Sin City Food Reviews, check that out. But let's go see if we can hit something else on Buffalo. I hope you guys are enjoying the spy glasses with the bonuses. Let's go get it. So we won a little bit on the other machine, and then we heard this lady screaming, oh my god, she got 9 of the hot shots. It was $29,000. We were trying max bet. We finally hit a bonus on max bet. Didn't win much, so. But we're still up a little bit of money, so that's pretty cool. Let's see if we can win more.
I found that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks. Nothing. Nelson Mandela said, there is no passion to be found playing small and settling for a life that's less than the one you're capable of living. Now, I'm sure in your experiences in school and applying to college and picking your major and deciding what you want to do with life, I'm sure people have told you to make sure you have something to fall back on. Make sure you got something to fall back on. But I never understood that concept, having something to fall back on. If I'm going to fall, I don't want to fall back on anything. I want to fall forward. Figure at least this way I'll see what I'm going to hit. Without consistency, you'll never finish. So do what you feel passionate about. Take chances. Don't be afraid to fail. There's an old IQ test with 9 dots. And you had to draw 5 lines with a pencil within these 9 dots without lifting the pencil. The only way to do it was to go outside the box. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Don't be afraid to fail big, to dream big. But remember, dreams without goals are just dreams.
We decided to come into the link. We're gonna check it out. We've won on Buffalo here numerous times, so let's go try a little bit of Buffalo and see if we can win anything. If not, we'll keep heading down. We'll probably grab something to eat, maybe Earl's sandwich, some real subs instead of the crap we had earlier. Might be having fun on the strip. We don't get to come on the strip that often since we moved here, but when we do, we always have a good time. Alright, so that was a bust at the link. Lost like 60 in here. We're still at like $100 and some, but we're gonna go back to Treasure Island and see if we can get a little more cash back, and then we'll probably start heading home. Alright, so we came back to Treasure Island. No luck. We lose about 80 bucks when we came back here. So the funny part about the whole story is we won $10. We're up like 300 and walked around, put money in machines, and end up losing it back. But at least we broke even. Now we're gonna head to the house. Thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe if you're new, and see you for the next journey.